of my crafty creators. Today, you guys, I am going to be making 5 shot glasses, right? A wine holder of 5. And then over on this side, I'm going to do 5 of the coasters here. Okay. But this is what I'm redoing. This is something that I made, and it turned out nicely. And someone saw it and wanted it to be done again. So we're going to start with the shot glasses since I have the camera angled over that way. And remember, I was telling y'all, maybe I can bring this over a little bit so that you can see a little bit more, and then maybe I can move it back, I suppose. Let's see, can you see there? Yep, you can see there. Remember how I was saying pinch this little part over to the side when you're pouring? It's a little under 20 milliliters. So I'm going in for the second one. How y'all guys doing today? I've had an interesting day. I didn't do very much, but it was still interesting. Last one will be here, and this is only because I want the rim of the shot glass, I want that to be a nice bright red. Okay, and I didn't even tell y'all, but I achieved this by using the Let's Resin Red. And I've also used the pigment red. Okay. The only thing I'm gonna do is take my alcohol and I'm gonna spray across it again. Now, I'm gonna let you see how these bubbles are they're gonna like disappear, but not fully disappear. But you just watch. Spraying my alcohol. Okay. See how they did that? It helps a lot. But you still need to take and use your lighter or your torch or whatever you got. Still use that, but not as heavily as you normally would. Okay, now we are on the, where is my mind? On the shot glasses. Sprayed a little bit of alcohol on my, so I've got my big container because all I have to do is just pour in to finish it up. So y'all enjoying the video? I hope so. I hope you take something from this video and learn something, because I like to make sure everyone is learning something and can take something from the video. Okay, now I am going to go ahead and pour this in right on top. told y'all I'll be back at the reveal, but I forgot that I have to put the gold on, like I did the glasses and the coasters. So let me do that with you all, and then I can let you all go. Because this will be the last part right here. So I'm gonna start with first doing my dot.